Tornado has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Franklin County in Tennessee, southeastern Lincoln County in Tennessee, northern Madison County in north central Alabama, northwestern Jackson County in northeast Alabama, until 10:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:40 a.m. Central Standard Time, local law enforcement reported a tornado near Meridianville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. This tornado has a history of producing damage. Take shelter if you are in its path. Locations near the path of this tornado include Plevna, Elora, Francisco, Maxwell. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement or storm shelter. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. The tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time Friday afternoon for northern Alabama and central Tennessee.